So hello and welcome to Basic Sentences and Words in Polish Language, Part 1. If you don't know how to read Polish yet, you can go and visit the video about the alphabet. It's in the playlist and I will put a link down below. And let's get started. Good day, dzień dobry. Hello, cześć. How are you? Jak się masz? Or if you want to say it literally, how are you having? Because this is how they speak, because masz means you have and się means self or something. You'll understand later, you don't have to worry about this right now. Jak się masz? Dobrze, which means good, or you can say źle, which means bad, or you can just say niedobrze instead of źle, which means not good. However, I would like to say something which is really important here, is that dobrze doesn't mean literally good, because it's an adverb, and źle as well is an adverb, because in Polish they don't use an adjective to state how they feel, because it's like saying I feel badly or goodly or whatever. So dobrze and źle are not adjectives. They're adverbs. Okay. What's your name? Jak masz na imię? Again, masz means to have or you have. What name do you have? My name is etc. Mam na imię jest etc. It means I have as a name, etc. You can see the Polish conjugation. I have videos in there. You can click and see in my playlist. Okay, ile masz lat? How old are you? Again, how many years do you have in Polish? Because masz. How old are you? I am 26 years old. Mam 26 lat. Again, if you don't know the numbers, there are videos in the playlist which are Polish for beginners, tenses and numbers. 3 parts, you can check them out. I will put everything in the link below. Skąd jesteś? Where are you from? Jesteś means you, are you, and skąd means where. I'm from Honolulu. Sorry for the example. Jestem z Honolulu. So as you see, from is z, just to learn. Gdzie mieszkasz? Where? Gdzie? Do you live? Mieszkasz? Like you don't have to say do you. Like there's just one word in Polish. Mieszkasz. I live in America. Mieszkam. Me. Mieszkam w Ameryce. So w, this W here, which is the v, means in. Poproszę kawę. So please a coffee, and you can say it as if you're saying can I have a coffee, but literally translates to please a coffee or a coffee please. Ile kosztuje kawa? How much does this coffee cost? Okay, so ile means how much. Ile, how much. Kosztuje, does it cost. Nie rozumiem polskiego. I don't understand Polish. Nie mówię po polsku. I don't speak Polish. Okay, so I don't want you to worry about these changes. I have videos for these. So yeah, this is the thing that we have to learn in Polish, is the changing and the prefixes and the suffixes. They kind of change, but we don't have to worry about them right now. You will know them for sure. And that's it for this video. Thank you everybody, and see you soon.